Hello students, welcome to today's math class. In previous class, I taught you about the polynomial and the coefficient, degree, variable of the polynomial and term also. In this class, in this video, we will study about the value of the polynomial at any given point. Value of the polynomial at any given point. Now, let px equal to 5x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Px equal to this polynomial. Polynomial means 5x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Now you are to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0, 1 and 2. You are to find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0. If you put x, what will be the value? X equal to 0, what will be the value? If you put x equal to 1, what will be the value of px? X equal to 2, what will be the value of px? Now, you put x equal to 0. X equal to 0 here, then p0 equal to 5 into 0 minus 2 into 0 minus 5 into 0 plus 2 means value is 2. Now, p1, you put x equal to 1 here. Next value is x. You get its answer is 0. You get its answer is 0. Now, p2. p2 means 5 into 2 का cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 2 equal to 40 minus 8 minus 10 plus 2 equal to 24. We get three values of this polynomial at three different value of x. It gives three values for three different value of x. Now, observe we reach some conclusion about these values. P0 equal to 2, P1 equal to 0, P2 equal to 4. From this we conclude we reach on two topics, remainder theorem and factor theorem. We put x equal to 0, it gives 2. We put p equal to x equal to 1, it gives 0. We put x equal to 2, it gives 24. Now, in earlier classes, in class 8th, in class 7th, you studied that in division process, in division algorithm, if remainder is left, if we divide any number by any other number, if remainder is left, then we say divisor is not the factor of dividend. Divisor is not the factor of dividend. If remainder is left, if remainder equal to 0, if remainder equal to 0, then we say divisor is the factor of dividend. If remainder equal to 0, if r equal to 0, if r equal to 0, then divisor is the of dividend. Understood? Now, you put x equal to 0, value gives 2. You put x equal to 1, it gives value 0. You put x equal to 2, well, now 24. Here, remainder is 2, remainder is 4, 24. Here, remainder is 2, remainder is 24. It means at x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. At x equal to 0 and x equal to px has some value. x इक्वल टू 0 पर x इक्वल टू 2 पर px की कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू है, जैसे कि यहां पर 2 है और यहां पर 24 है. बट एट x इक्वल टू 1, px equal to 0. It means that is x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means that is x minus 1 is the factor of px. Here px minus x comma x minus 2 are not the factor of px. X, putting x equal to 0, value is 2. Putting x equal to 1, value is 0. Putting x equal to 2, value is 24. It means at x equal to 0 comma 2, at x equal to 0 comma 2, px has some values. It means x comma x minus 2 are not the factor of px. But at x equal to 1, px equal to 0, that is x minus 1 is the factor of px. So this is known as the factor theorem, or this is known as the remainder theorem. This is known as the factor theorem and this is known as the remainder theorem. There is nothing new in this chapter. Only these are two things already you have studied in earlier classes, but in different way. Here you are studying in different way. Understood? So in exercise 2.2 and 2.3, in exercise 2.2 you have to find the value of px, value of polynomial in exercise 2.2. But in exercise 2.3, I think also 2.4 maybe, I am not sure. In exercise 2.3 you are to find the factor by factor theorem and by remainder theorem. You are to use these two theorem in that case. If by putting value of x, anything, any value, if the value of px equal to 0, it will be factor theorem. If it does not equal to 0, it will be remainder theorem. Okay, that's enough for today.